Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok problem. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok issues, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you will find this page, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that, we click clear cache. But be attention on clear data because that can make errors on your app. Don't click here. Then you can go to your Play Store. You will search about TikTok. You will find it, and you can update your application there. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.